Hello everybody, my name is Marcus and I have a big goal. No? I want that everybody speaks a little German. So what will we do? We will tell together a story. And it's really important that we will do it together. What does it mean? So you will be part of the story. And we add always one more phrase, one more sentence to our story. And every time it will be a different person from all over the world. Okay? So let's see the first sentence of this story. Der kleine Elefant lernt Deutsch mit Markus. So now it's your turn. So please send me the next phrase, the next sentence of the story. Okay? Be sure that's in present tense so it's easier to understand for everybody. Okay? And please record your video horizontal and not vertical. And just be really creative so that we end up with a really funny story. Okay? You can send me your video to this email address. I will add it also to the description into the video. So if you send me your video, you obviously agree that I publish your video together with all the other videos. Okay? So what do you think? How does the story of the little elephant continues? Thank you very much and let's have a little bit fun in learning German. Bye bye, tschüss.